The Carnival Horizon has arrived to the Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands. It's Dr. Earl from Brenda's World. Let's start with the aerial view. You are now looking at the 7 Mile Beach. Known for its hot and sunny weather, where else would you go to cool off? Looking for clear water? Well, look no further. And if you don't like the beach, stay poolside. If you're seeking adrenaline, hop on the jet skis, let's go! Not only is the beach clean, but the white sand was so soft. Buckle up and get ready for an up-close and personal tour. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Dr. Earl from Brenda's World. And there goes my beautiful bride. And there's Alito. She's talking, he's not paying attention right now. Say what's up to everybody. Hey, we are in the Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands today, ladies and gentlemen. And we're headed to the 7 Mile Beach. Let's go. We have the best cruise tour guide in the world, Mr. Smooth.
Right here, man. Island guys.
Hey.
Welcome to the island, guys.
Thanks so much, young man. It's the clearest water you ever see in the world. We're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna put it to the test, ladies and gentlemen. We have just entered the 7 Mile Beach area in Grand Cayman, ladies and gentlemen.
See all the resorts, hotels.
So we have the resorts, the hotels coming up. We got some shopping plazas here. So if you wanna spend some money, come on down there, spend some money, help out the local community. And probably the government. Y'all pay taxes here too, I guess.
No taxes.
Oh, no taxes here?
No taxes.
Oh man, shit, they don't pay no taxes in the Grand Cayman. I'm moving in. Oh, look at the tunnel, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, man, one and only tunnel.
This is the only tunnel in the Grand Cayman, and we've just driven through it. Is that gas prices US or your own currency? Huh?
That's CI.
CI, okay.
Conversion rate to US is about $9 US.
So it's about $9
US.
is that a gallon. $9 a gallon for gas, and we complaining about $3.59.
Exactly.
Okay, so I see that the sign over there that says the public beach access is coming up.
So the rule here is you can own the property, you can have a condo, but 15 feet from the water line, up on the sand, you don't own that.
Okay.
The government owns that, and that's all public access. No one can run you 15 feet from where that water is come up.
15?
15 feet.
Oh, alright.
It's open. It's always public. So you'll see after every resort, you'll see a public beach access sign.
Understood.
No one can stop you. It's mandatory to have
Look at that.
resort. They take care of the people do.
Ladies and gentlemen, Brenda's World has returned. Today we are in Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands. Yes, my love.
Down in the water.
You didn't drown, so just still talking to me, lady. Alito is snorkeling, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how that looks under the water. Let's see how that looks under the water. Oh, Alito! We call for somebody to catch it. Alright. We left all of our, we didn't know we was coming to the beach today, you guys. So we left all of our our beach attire on the ship. You might can see it from over there in the shadow. You see that? Our ship is way over there. And we left our beach attire in our room. So
You can look all the way down.
oh yeah. So here we are, having a good time in Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands. The kids absolutely love the beach. I've never seen Alito so comfortable swimming with no life vest on. But he can stand up right here, so it feels real comfortable. Jalisa, how we doing, mama love? How we doing, Jalisa? How we doing, sweetie? Huh? You gonna swim to mommy? We took swimming classes. You gonna swim to mommy? Let me see. Kick, 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 kick. Oh, oh. All right. Alito. Oh Lord, this one. Ooh, I almost ate it. Look at you, Alito, go. Go, Alito, go. Go, have some go. Jalisa. All right. So how's the cruise so far, honey?
I'm loving it. It just sucks that we didn't know we were coming to the beach. I thought we were gonna do a tour because my in-laws, grandpa wanted to go and tour the island, but we let the kids pick today because they were upset with us yesterday. They said Jamaica was pretty boring. So we decided to let them pick, and they picked to come to the beach. They decided to come to the beach, so that's what we went with. But we didn't bring their swimwear. We didn't bring our swimwear.
No swimwear, we don't care. We out here, baby.
Yep, that's right.
Lisa, so what's your favorite part of today so far, honey? Everything?
Yeah, that's what she always says.
You heard it there first, ladies and gentlemen. She's loving everything about today because we are in the beach.
It's so different.
We are in the beach in Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands, and she's having a ball. Let's go. We outside.
Their sand is more rock-like.
Yeah, like pebbles and yeah.
Like it's so grainy.
Yeah, it's like pebbles.
Their sand is a lot thicker than ours.
Like shells and
Yep. Crushed up shell.
Fun fact, the sea turtle is the Cayman's beloved symbol. Turtles adorn Caymanian money and appear on the island's flag as part of the official coat of arms, showing just how important this animal is. The Cayman Islands is internationally known for its abundant turtle population. Ladies and gentlemen, Earl is about to go snorkeling, and he's gonna go show you guys what he's seeing under the water. Here we go. You got it on the video? Yeah. Tell me about it. So, turn around. This way.
I'm putting
Look at the camera.
I sent them some luck.
There was some corals down there. Corals.
Yeah, there was some coral and some fish. There was white fish.
White fish? Okay. Alright, thank you, sir. Earl the Explorer. What'd you find there, Jalisa? Let me see. Oh, don't throw it or hit nobody, please. Olito! Lord have mercy, he in the world of his own. Huh? He said he in the world of his own. The water cold. Huh? I know. I'm surprised you're doing it. I am surprised you're doing it, to be honest. The water, it looks so clear when you turn this way. There's the sun behind us. Uh-oh, let me see. Uh-oh, woo-hoo. Yeah, I brought it in, yeah. Yeah. I went way out there. I was following the jet skis. I went way over here. It's houses, really nice houses back this way. Yeah. You should know how to float. We done took classes. They went over that.
No, you good. Rick, you sit down.
I'm too sexy for my pants. Too sexy for my pants. Too sexy for my pants. The catwalk. Oh, Alito is floating. Alito is floating. Let me see. Let's check him out. He's floating. He's floating.
All by yourself.
He's floating up.
You ain't got no hands.
Oh, way to go, Alito. Way to go. Oh, Dr. Earl from Brundage World again, and I have some rum raisin ice cream. I'll tell you, it's so good. Man, it's hot out here. It's about 100 degrees at least. That's what it feels like. And we just left the beach, and we are now enjoying our snow cones and our ice cream. Yeah. Say what's up to the crew.
Hey, hey, hey.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the gorgeous resorts here. Water Edge Resort. Got a shopping plaza over here.
Use the voice, your words, huh? I can't hear you.
That's the Caribbean Club.
Caribbean Club, Luca Restaurant inside. Casa Caribe Boutique Condo. How is the real estate here? Is it expensive?
Oh my goodness. After we reopen, the price of everything jump out the bucket and hit the sky. It's ridiculous.
Jesus.
Woo! This is called the Palm. That's the hotel, it's called the Palm.
The Hotel The Palm, okay.
That is where, have you seen the movie The Palm with Tom Cruise and Gene Hackman?
Yes.
That's it.
Oh, okay. Tom Cruise.
And Gene Hackman.
Gene Hackman.
The Farm.
Yeah, The Farm. Okay.
I hear room.
The real estate in Miami is very expensive too now. Everything is at least double. So if you pay $200,000 for a house,
triple here.
you could get at least $400,000.
Yes. I heard rumors that Mr. Trump have money here.
Oh.
This is where they say the mafia hide out their money.
Well, you know, they don't have to pay taxes, and I know and that's right. That's right up Trump alley. He don't want to pay no taxes. He won't. He admitted
But
too.
you know that movie is true.
Yeah.
I believe 100%.
It is true. I'm telling you.
You take advantage of the tax code. Take advantage of the tax code.
Because you don't pay tax here.
Yeah. That's why they want to do business here. We're going through the tunnel once again. The only tunnel in the Cayman Islands. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are headed back to Carnival Horizon to get back on the ship. We had a good time in Grand Cayman, Cayman Islands. What about you guys? Yeah, great time. Yeah, you had fun in the pool? I mean the ocean? What about you guys?
Yeah, good time.
You got some rest, huh?
Yeah,
So you taking a nap?
Alright.
Jaleesa, what about you, honey? How was it? It was the best? Earl, you were snorkeling. How was your experience? Did you see a fish?
Yes.
What color was it? It was a white fish? Alright, so he took the GoPro under the water with him, and he found some fish, a school of fish swimming around. So we're going to show you guys later when we put it on the YouTube channel. Alright?
That was pretty cool.
Run this bro out! Well, like they say, all good things must come to an end. If this is your first time here at Brenda's World, welcome. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when our very next video drops, and hit that like button and drop us a comment. Let's go!